You deserve a meal that's easy as well as quick, that you can cook in your very own kitchen. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Italian garden beef soup. So let's get started. Let's cook the pasta. The pasta is ready. The pasta is cooked. Now let's cook the ground beef. Let's build the dish. Let's check the seasoning. Let's add a bit more salt. Ditalini pasta originated in southern Italy and became popular during the industrial age for its fast cooking and adaptability in soups and classic recipes. Its small tubular shape made it ideal for mass production and quick cooking. Today, Ditalini is available around the world and can be found in whole wheat and gluten-free versions. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. The soup looks amazing. Let's get a portion into a bowl. Let's not forget that Ditalini pasta and a sprinkle of parsley. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The combination of savory ground beef, fresh garden vegetables to create a comforting, nutrient-packed meal. I'm gonna have a little bit more. This rustic soup is perfect for lunch, cozy nights, and family dinners. You and your guests will love it. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one easy and quick meal. Stay with us, watch the next videos.